Here are the main differences for investing into residential real estate and commercial real estate. When you have residential real estate that you're looking to rent out, typically you're gonna be paying, as a landlord, you're gonna be paying the water fees, you're gonna be paying the taxes, you're gonna be paying trash removal and things like that. When you are renting out a commercial space, typically the tenant can actually pay for those things. And the way you do that is that you add it to their lease. So they can actually pay for the water, they pay for the trash removal, and you can actually get them to pay for the taxes as well, and any other services that you may have to maintain a property. Another thing too that you want to consider is with commercial leases, typically they're at least 3 years at a time, and most of them are an average 5 years. With residential, your typical lease is going to be a year, and then you're going to have way more turnover with residential versus commercial, where you have less turnover, and this way you have a more secure tenant. Most likely on the commercial side of things, most of the tenants will do pay on time and actually stay there for longer and continue to renew their lease, and then you actually can build in an increase per year that this lease is current. Just because they're for 5 years, it doesn't mean that they're gonna stay there for 5 years at the same rent rate.